Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 1291. It's a sequential digits. The question says that an integer has a sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is more than the previous digit, right? Means when you are getting a new number, right, there should be one more than the previous digits. Okay, so if you want to understand, let's suppose if we have the current number is 123, if we are going to find the next number, it should be greater than one more than the previous one, means 234, right? Like that we have to find the elements. Okay, it returns a sorted list of all the integer in the range. This is the range, low and high inclusive have the sequential digits. If you see the constant, right, it is saying that low should be greater than equal to the 10 and high should be less than equal to 10 to the power 9, right? We also have given the two hints, like the very first to generate all the numbers with the sequential digits and check if they are in the given range, or fix the digit starting and then do a recursion with like all the tries that have the valid digits. Okay, so if you are able to understand this problem, it's very easy that you have to start from somewhere that is called low and we have to go till the high, and in that range you need to find the sequential digits, right? And you know what is the sequential digit is, it should be more than one, it should be the previous digits, right? And you can see here also, right, if we have 1000 and we have high is 13,000, right? So it will start from 1 2 3 4 10 2 3 4 5 3 4 5, like that we have to find the all those sequential digits number, right? So let me tell you how to implement this type of problem, right? So basically this is a mathematical problem, so you have to solve like this only, right? So we have two argument, low and high we have given as we have given. So this is the resultant where we have to return, because the return type, if you see it, we have a list of all those sequence digits we have to return as a number, right? In a list, right? And we have to do the with the help of, right, string dot value, right? We can pass the low and we can check what is the min length we have here and what is the max length we have here, right? Basically we want to find the length which is bounds of the low and high to minimize the loop iteration. So we can, if we use this way, basically it's a purpose to minimize the loop. Okay, for if you try the loop, right, so loop through the possible lengths based on the input bounds, right? We know that, okay, this is the length, we will start from the minimum, right, and we'll go to the max. So we understand, okay, this is the bound we have, right? And to find the sequential digits, we know that we will start from the 0 and we'll go to the n, right? N is nothing but the current length is 9 minus the current length, right? Whatever the current length will come from there. Okay, so we'll keep getting all the length, like it is a kind of the pairs we will find, right? The possible iteration will happen, right? And at each iteration with the help of the min length, right? So we'll start from the length somewhere, means the min, it will keep going to the max length, right? And in between that we will find 9 minus the length, right? So we'll check all the possible bonds, then we'll get the substring, right? You just need to use the digits, and then you will, because digits we have to from 1 to 9, and from there we'll take the start and a start plus length. So basically what is the start is start from the 0, right? And the length we'll get from the min length. So we'll getting all the substring, and then what we will do is we'll convert into the number, right? And we'll check if the number is greater than low and less than high, right? Less than equal to high and greater than equal to low. So we'll add on to the result, and in this way we'll check all those what you call sequential digits which are in the range, right? We'll keep adding on the result, and finally you return the result. So this is what we have in this video. Still, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and we'll go from there. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribing this channel and like this video. Share with your friends if you are there also preparing for DSA preparation. Thank you, and let's meet in the another video. Thank you.